Home remedies to treat mild hepatomegaly. Welcome to the video guys, I hope you are fine. It is important to note that home remedies should not be considered a substitute for professional medical care. If you are concerned about your liver health, it is essential to see a doctor to get a diagnosis and treatment plan. Here are some lifestyle and dietary changes that may help to improve liver health and reduce the risk of hepatomegaly. 1. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity is a significant risk factor for fatty liver disease, which can lead to hepatomegaly. Losing even a small amount of weight can help to improve liver health. 2. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet low in saturated and trans fats and high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help to prevent fatty liver disease. 3. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol is a significant risk factor for liver disease. If you drink alcohol, limit your intake to no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. 4. Get regular exercise. Exercise can help to improve liver function and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. 5. Avoid exposure to toxins. Some toxins, such as those in pesticides and herbicides, can damage the liver. Avoid exposure to these toxins whenever possible. Some specific herbs and supplements that may be helpful for liver health. 1. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is an herb used for centuries to treat liver problems. It works by protecting the liver from damage and promoting liver cell regeneration. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric has been shown to protect the liver from damage and improve liver function. 3. Dandelion. Dandelion is a plant traditionally used as a liver tonic. It is thought to help the liver produce bile, essential for digesting fats. 4. Licorice root. Licorice root is an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant herb. It has been shown to protect the liver from damage and improve liver function. 5. Chanca Piedra. Chanca Piedra is a plant native to South America. It has been used traditionally to treat kidney stones but has also been shown to protect the liver from damage. It is essential to talk to your doctor before taking any herbs or supplements, as some can interact with medications or have other side effects. Note: please note that these are just a few examples of home remedies that may be helpful for liver health. Talking to your doctor to discuss which treatments are right for you is essential.